Hi, welcome to Hard-Reset Info channel. Viewers, in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 8, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. Firstly, you need to open the Play Store. Then find Niagara Launcher. Click Install and wait a while. Click Open. Agree. Choose your favorite apps. Click OK. It's cool. So here we have the main home screen, and here we have the main menu. So to find any application, for example, Play Store, just swipe to P to find the YouTube, swipe to Y, find the Gmail, swipe to G. So it's very easy to do, as you can see. On the second place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Click Install and wait a while. Click Open, get started, while using the app, hello. Continue. You can skip the login into Microsoft account if you don't want to synchronize your smartphone with your Windows device, but if you want, you need to connect to the Microsoft account. Cool. So then, of course, after you will install this application, you should open the Glance panel. In Glance panel, as you can see, here we have all widgets, and we can set all our widgets here in the Glance, and you don't need to swipe between tile and home screens to find any widget. Here we have simple Microsoft designs, sharp and shapes. Here are, as you can see, here we have squares everywhere. So only because of design I can't locate this launcher on the first place in my top, but as you can see, this launcher is very good and it's very fast. Here we can set up gestures. For example, I can open the calculator by tapping twice on my screen. Cool. And on the first place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Here you need to set up this application, allow all. You can use it completely for free, you don't need to buy the Prime version. So here we have a beautiful interface. Here we have the icons with groups. So as you can see, here we have my menu grouped by groups completely automatically. Here we have contacts, internet, games, media, utilities and settings. But you can enable the simple main menu if you want. One of the best features is the wallpapers. So here you can here you have all every day you have new wallpaper set. So here you can set up new wallpapers and find new beautiful, really cool and beautiful wallpapers every day. Of course, as you can see, here we have settings for the app page. Here we have settings for wallpaper page. We can change gestures and hotkeys. In global appearance, we can change the even icon appearance. As you can see, we can change shapes and other. We can change the icon pack. For example, material U or standard default. We can download icon packs from the Play Store, and Smart Launcher supports all of icon packs you can see in the Play Store, free and paid. So cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.